Bitcoin jumps to just shy of $68 before quick plunge. Lower digital assets are finally beginning to pay attention to not just the growing chance of a Trump victory in November, but also a GOP sweep, said Standard Chartered's Jeff Kendrick. The price of Bitcoin BTC put in an upside-down V during the U.S. morning hours on Tuesday, surging to a nearly three-month high of $67,800 before tumbling back to the $65,000 level. At press time, the world's largest crypto was trading at $65,500, down 0.6% over the past 24 hours and 3.3% lower than its session high touched only an hour ago. The broader CoinDesk 20 index was lower by 1.3% over the last 24 hours, with Solana and Cardano ADA among the index constituents underperforming BTC. Despite the unsettling action this morning, Bitcoin remains higher by 8% over the past week, with continued momentum for crypto-friendly Republican presidential candidate Donald Trump possibly behind that rally, said Standard Chartered analyst Jeff Kendrick in a Tuesday note. The former president now has a 56% chance of winning in November, according to Polymarket, said Kendrick, now 56.9%. It's his highest probability of winning since Joe Biden dropped out as the Democratic candidate. The odds of a GOP sweep of Congress are also on the rise, Kendrick pointed out. According to his calculations, if Trump wins the presidency, there's a 70% chance he will be dealing with a Republican-led House and Senate. Bitcoin's rise over the past few weeks has been very gradual, but the quickness of this morning's gains, then losses, led to over $127 million in both short and long leveraged bets to be liquidated over the past 4 hours. Liquidation happens when a trader has insufficient funds to keep a leveraged trade open, leading to the forced closure of bullish long and bearish short positions, causing a brief spike or plunge in prices. Traders at QCP Capital attributed the spike to several reasons from earlier this week. The firm said in a Telegram broadcast that the rally may be election-driven, initially sparked by Republican Donald Trump's lead in prediction markets and polls, and further boosted by Democrat Kamala Harris's pledge for a crypto regulatory framework, signals a friendlier stance toward the industry. Disappointment with China's latest stimulus may have led some speculators to shift capital from Chinese equities back into Bitcoin, a scenario we first anticipated in our October 8th, QCP added. Finance Minister Lan Foan promised new steps to support the property sector and hinted at greater government borrowing at a Saturday briefing. However, the announcement fell short of expectations and suggested a low probability of continued outflows into China-linked assets.